This is the sound of pure bliss, and trust me, you won't stop at one. So let's make the ultimate pollution friendly peri peri crispy fries. Heat water in a pan, add in some salt, ghee, and then your rice flour. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and then knead it into a soft dough while it is hot. Flatten it out and then cut into thin, long fries. For the peri peri seasoning, combine all the masalas mentioned in the caption below, mix it up, and it's ready. Now deep fry your fries, top it up with the peri peri masala, and enjoy. Like, save, share, and follow for more.